You know, I was thinking sharpening videos are getting very dull. You've got some sharpeners who are doing third person view, camera over there, sharpening over here. Then you've got a ton of sharpeners doing first person view, cameras up here, sharpening's down here. Couldn't it be better? What if you had both at the same time in 4K? Two different angles, right? First person view on the steel, third person view from beyond, and a knife by a new company called Butterfork. How cool would that be? So let's go ahead and get these cameras set up and roll. All right, let's check this knife out. There she is. Butterfork. Some kind of a hard plastic handle. Little Nakiri. And this is made out of AR RPM 9. AR RPM 9. Really well done. Looks good. Very little rust at the top here. Yeah, it feels sharp. And this little thing here, this is a handle key. So they sell interchangeable handles. A little tough to unscrew it first, which makes sense. You want this thing nice and sharp, nice and tight. You don't want your handle falling off. So there's your threads to secure your handle. That guy just locks right on there. Don't know why they have holes in the tang, unless they have other handles that support those. But overall, I mean, the craftsmanship's not terrible. Profile looks good. It's very straight. Yeah, I'm impressed so far. Handles a little resistance to get it in. But again, that's probably not a bad thing because you want it to be nice and firm. And they've got this little micro bolster line there. That might be an attempt to kind of keep water out of the handle. That would be my big concern is, you know, when you're using a knife, you can wipe it down and get all the water off. We've already see a little rust here, so we know this is prone to rust. And if water gets down inside that handle too easily, well, that can be problematic. Okay, I preset one of these bad boys up. Tear it to 0. Looks nice and straight. There we go. Shadow's kind of working against me there. And easy as she goes. Oh. Wow. 100. That's impressive. I don't think I've ever had a knife out of the box be so sharp. And that kind of foils my plan to sharpen it. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, we're gonna do one more here, because that's very unusual for a knife to come out so sharp. Let's do down towards the heel a little bit. Wow. Look at that. Butterfork company knows how to sharpen knives. Impressive. Yeah. Look at that. They know what the heck they're doing. This is out of the box, guys. That's impressive. This is what I get paid to do. And they're just doing it. I might have to see if I can connect with their team and see what they're doing. I've got an idea. Let's so we hit 100. Let's hit the Kangaroo Strop and see if we can get this sub 100 just with the Kangaroo Strop. All right, let's see what happens after a little bit of raw Kangaroo Strop. Let's go even more towards the hill, a completely new spot. $81. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm gonna be honest. I'm bummed out. I've been dreaming up this dual perspective sharpening video for 2 weeks, and we get these knives in the mail. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna showcase that for the show. Come to find out, these guys are sharpening knives out of the box better than any other knife company on the planet right now. I've never seen a knife come out of the box this sharp. In the craftsmanship and the how perfect that bevel is, I can't. It's pointless to sharpen. So hit it with the Roo Strop, see if we can get a little sharper. Woo, we got a little bit sharper. This thing is friggin' nasty. Look at this. How fun is that? Oh boy. So hats off to you, Butterfork. I'm impressed. This is good quality steel too, and at $50, like, yeah, I would buy this myself. Full disclosure, they gifted it to Tanya's TikTok project. I'm over here sharpening, and Tanya's over there trying to destroy my edges. It's kind of the perfect marriage. We're the perfect marriage, but now we've got the perfect social media marriage. Very exciting times, guys. The Discord is growing at an insane rate right now. We're very close to 80 members. This Saturday, we're having our first Get Sharp Discord event. We're holding an event, an orientation for building the dream sharpening machine with our friends at KFMK. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, it's completely free. No paywalls, no $4.99 a month for an emoji or whatever, no $500 for a sharpening course. It's free, guys. So I'll see you on the Discord.